Hey guys, in honor of President's Day and of course our favorite lovable friends, I am going to read First Dog. Once upon a time, there was a dog that was looking for the perfect place to live. Then one day, thought Dog, this gives me an idea. He's looking at the newspaper there. I'll trot across the continents. That's what I'll do. And if I'm lucky, maybe I'll find the perfect place to live. So he set off to travel the world. Dog first arrived in Newfoundland. There he found a Newfoundland. She takes to water just like me, Dog barked. Who could ask for more? Just then Dog remembered, whoa, I've heard this furry giant can even be a lifeguard. All I can rescue is my dog toy. So Dog sailed across the Atlantic Ocean to London, England. Waddling near Big Ben was a slobbering English bulldog. He's rough and tough, thought Dog. Did he break that nose in a fight? I bet he has a sturdy brick home that would be perfect for me. But how could I get any sleep with all that snoring? So Dog traveled to France. There he saw a standard poodle, puffy and poofy and spiffy. Dog marveled. But who wants to spend all the day at the hairdressers? Spend all day at hairdressers. Dog decided he just couldn't bring himself to parade around town without pants. So it was off to somewhere new. In Croatia. He thought at first he was seeing spots, but it was just a Dalmatian, hanging out at the one place Dalmatians like best. Dog tried to play tic-tac-paw with her, but how can you have fun with someone whose best friend is a fire truck? What was waiting for him in Russia? The famous Borzoi. Wow, what an elegant creature. Dog was in awe. No, the life of the great hunting Russian wolfhound is not for me. The only thing I love to hunt is my dinner bowl. In China, Dog went in search of the strange looking Shar-Pei. So soft, Dog sighed, but so wrinkly. Not even an iron could get out those wrinkles. And look at that blue black tongue. It's meant to scare off the evil spirits, but I'm afraid of my own shadow. Next, Dog decided to go to Australia, the land down under, to see a dingo. After chasing him across the hot desert, Dog thought, that Lone Ranger might be wild, but he's no party animal. Definitely not the place for me. I need fun, friends, excitement, and whew, this outback sun could roast a doggy burger like shrimp on the Barbie. G'day, mate. Let's see, Dog wondered. Where else could I find the perfect place to live? Dog went to South Africa and met a Rhodesian Ridgeback. He soon found out that this Fido's favorite thing to do is hunt lions. What? I like cats. But rule number one is they have to be smaller than me. First, a cowlick down its back, and now a house next to a lion's den. Dog shuddered. No, thank you. Next, Dog went back across the Atlantic for a stop in South America. As soon as he met the Peruvian hairless, he thought, yikes, bald baby bald. Put some clothes on, why don't you? Dog brushed up against the creature. Why, her skin feels like it's heated. I can see why she's a pampered pooch. She's a bed warmer for humans. But I need a room of my own. Then Dog traveled to Mexico. Ole! See, the Chihuahua. Muy adorable, cried Dog. She loves to sunbathe too, but I'd get squished inside a purse. Oh no, I definitely need a house bigger than a lunchbox. At last, Dog was worn out from his worldwide travels and a little sad too because he hadn't found the perfect place to live. He returned to his old neighborhood, walked over to his favorite park bench, rolled on the grass, and took a nap. When Dog awoke, he saw that somebody had left another newspaper on the bench. It says, First family looks for dog. First family would be our president and his family. The White House. And there he is. What's he doing? Peeping inside. Daddy, can we keep him? Yes, we can. And there he is, sleeping inside the Oval Office, which is where the president works. The end. And this is letting you know that there are lots of abandoned dogs in the U.S. And if you can get one, then it would be a really good thing to do to check at your local shelter. The end. Hope you enjoyed, guys.